Stop by and take a look at 2016 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, power sunroof, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.